Good morning. Hold on. Something really weird just hit my scanner. Hold up. Good morning, fam. Something really weird just hit it. Hold up. Good morning, everybody. Let's see. Hold on. Huh. Somebody said I'm the market maker. Anyways, okay, 1 second. I've been messing with this new unusual flow scanner. It's one that I'm personally working on, and Meta just hit it for some reason. So let me pull this up. What did I name this stupid thing? Sizzling. Not what I wanted. Hold up. Meta. Apparently we got some unusual options activity happening on Meta. I don't know why I just hit it now. We have to look at it a little closer, or actually sometime throughout the day. So weird that it did that. Anyways, cool. What's up, everybody? How we doing today? Hopefully everybody made money yesterday. Watchlist absolutely printed, so there's no excuse for not making money yesterday. Nvidia and Apple were bangers yesterday, and then Meta was also a banger yesterday. So if you didn't make money, I don't know what's wrong with you. I took 2 trades yesterday. Took a swing trade overnight with SPY. Not yesterday, but the day before. Sold 2 out of the 3. Got stopped out on the last. Literally came up, hit my stop loss, break even, and then the market tanked, which is stupid. But oh well. Let's see. As far as the small account, I forgot to take money out this morning, but the small account is at, let me pull it up. Hold on. But yeah, let me know how you guys did yesterday. Did you guys make money, lose money, take no trades? My small account is at $10,252.54. So, beautiful. I guess today near the close, I'm gonna withdraw the money and start on Tuesday with 10,000 again. See what I can get it up to. But yeah, let's make this watch list again. If you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. As always, we had 150 likes. That's when we dropped the watch list. But yeah, I like Meta actually to the downside. Looks beautiful. If it breaks below 159.67, we can definitely take it lower. Hold on, let me pull up the Discord myself. Boom. Nice. How'd the Amazon do? Did you make money? I'm assuming you made money. Let's see, Meta. Love it. So we'll take a look at Meta. I want to know, there's some really weird things hitting my scanner. Weird. All right, let's start with the priority of the week. Airbnb made money on Meta and Nvidia. Love it. Let's see, Airbnb, not interested. Somebody mentioned AMD. AMD is on the list anyway. 1 hour squeeze, firing down. Break below that pre-market low, 75.06. I would be very interested in puts. Again, that 1 hour squeeze is firing down. We're at the yearly lows. Actually, we done broke those yearly lows. So hold on. Went to the 127 extension yesterday. We broke below it. Guess we could take another one here. 74. Break below 75. We could see 74. So I do like AMD. Amazon. Nice little 1 hour squeeze with that. Hopefully you guys saw yesterday's video too. Yeah, I'll be using today's expiration. Lotto Friday, baby. Let's see, Amazon. Could actually watch this both ways. I'd be more interested in the downside with that squeeze. But, oh, it did come down to that 102.52 yesterday. Oh, wait, no. I was waiting for 101.26. Never mind. Let's look at this. Amazon. And then DLTR. Still looking for that swing. Nice daily squeeze. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that, but we'll see. GME, that fell apart, so those butterflies are going to go worthless today. Sorry to say it, you're going to lose 90 to 100 bucks. But that's the game you play with butterflies. IBM, still waiting for that swing. Video, of course, David. Again, all I ask for you guys to do is make sure to click that like button. We got 104 people in here and only 37 likes. If you guys are watching through Discord, make sure to actually click the link and open it up on your Google Chrome or whatever you use and click that like button. But in video, so it's a little ways to go. We could get some room there. So I like NVIDIA. 148.71 for puts. PDD, Zoom, both fell apart. Don't care about that. So the day trading list. We got some 30-minute squeezes. We actually have a lot of 30-minute squeezes. And 1 hours. So Apple, 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. Would be interested below that pre-market low, 135.2. Looks like we kind of had a little bear flag right here that we broke below. So I'll watch Apple. We looked at AMD, we looked at Amazon. Baba's in a 1 hour squeeze. Not too interested. I mean, you could watch Baba below 112.85. I'm just not too interested in it. Good morning. Let's see, Apple. Coin died yesterday too. We slightly talked about that. CRWD, no liquidity. We looked at Meta, Microsoft. 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. Very interested below 245.55. Microsoft. Boom. Remember, you guys need to click the like button. 150 likes if you want the watch list. PayPal's got a nasty squeeze. Right below 69. Hold up. There's a decent amount of liquidity in the 68s, so we can actually look at that. Nice 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. So we'll look at PayPal, QQQ. Okay, so I think if the market's going to drop today, we need to get it below 277, and we can look to take it back to yesterday's low. Yeah, I'm going to lose all my money on MU, but you want to know something? I gave you guys this QQQ level in Saturday's video, and what was yesterday's bottom? At that exact level that was given on Saturday. So if you guys are sleeping on those SPY and QQQ technical analysis videos every single Saturday, I don't know what to tell you. Literally gave that then, went straight up to the monthly, went up to the weekly, and then it dropped down. So 275.96, that's going to be an important level. But yeah, with QQQ, I would like to see the break below 277 if it's going to continue down. And then we have, I don't trade Roku, SPY. Let's see. Same thing, would like to see it below pre-market lows, 373.5. Take it back to yesterday's low. Good morning. Hopefully you're doing good this morning. SQ 1 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. 60.75. Let's see, target, Tesla. What are you swinging? Tesla actually doesn't look bad. Maybe Tesla. I think oil's up a good amount this morning as well. Yeah, Exxon had a nice move. Anyways, all right, there's a watch list: Meta, AMD, Amazon, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, PayPal, SQ, Tesla. So now we need to, yeah, we just need to narrow this. Big position size on what? That's what I'm confused about. What did you swing? Start at the top of the list. Meta, 30-minute squeeze. Slightly broke below that level, we'll see. Hold on, do we have any economic news today? I think we have one thing, but I don't know if it's later in the day. Thursday, Friday, yes, 9:45 and 10. Cool. So, I don't like that Meta broke that level, so we're gonna have to come back to that. AMD's at the level, 75.05. I'm highly confused, David. highly confused with what you're saying. Yeah, I would like to see AMD below 75.05. We get below there, 74, 73.25, or 52. 73.52, boom. So AMD, love. Amazon. Very interesting, 105.21. I mean, yesterday's low, 102.52, that's not out of question. Maybe be interested above. Premarket high as well. I like that both ways. Both ways. Video again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 120 people in here and only 66 likes. Dang, a video went straight to that daily pivot yesterday, almost to a penny. But in video, 148.62, 147.83, huge drop down to 144.91. That's not what I wanted. Get to the other side, duh. Nvidia, I do really like Nvidia as well as AMD. And then we had Apple. 135.52 is very interesting. Let's see. Yeah, 133.52, love that. Microsoft. There's a lot of really good setups today. Microsoft. Good morning, Sean. All right, I'm gonna take PayPal and SQ off because I like the other setups more. The thing is, David, if you're putting in $10,000 to $15,000, you're gonna have to give yourself more than a $300 stop. I typically use a 20% stop loss when I day trade. So you're talking 10,000, you're gonna have to give yourself a $2,000 stop loss. $300, that's way too tight of a stop. You're gonna knock yourself out every time. Just being honest. AMD. Lotto Friday, baby. Oh yeah, especially if you're doing that on a Friday. No, never put $10,000 to $15,000 in on a Friday. No, no, no. Yeah, if you're just starting to trade, don't even use that big of a position. Like 500 to 1,000, if that. Remember, this is a marathon. Start small and gradually work your way up. All right, this Amazon yearly low 101.26. Take the yesterday's high. All right, I prefer Amazon to the downside. I will watch it to the upside as well, but really would like it to hold on. There's the close right there. Bingo. Yeah, I'll watch it both ways. I just prefer the downside. Could be completely wrong, but nice 30-minute squeezer. Amazon, watching both ways, looking for a break below 105.2 for puts, price target equal 102.52, 101.26, 100, calls above 106.80, price target equal 107.77, 108.18. Beautiful 30-minute and 1 hour squeeze. Bingo. Man, I don't think we're hitting the light goal today. What's up with that? Shaking my head. It's been a weird week on all my social medias, actually. I think my Instagram's not as active. YouTube has definitely not been as active this week. I don't know what it is. Maybe YouTube just hates me. And the people that don't like the videos and comment, they hate me too. Anyways. Looks like that Nvidia slightly broke below the level. Apple. I would really prefer Apple to the downside. Let's see. That is true. I don't know the word vacation. 136.83. Possible reject, question mark. Thank you, Bourbon Dummies. I appreciate it. Want me to be president? I think I'd do a fantastic job. I think I'd be better than 99% of the presidents that actually went into office. That's just my opinion, though. Maybe a little bias. I like Apple shorts. Yep, we're watching Apple. Yes, today's regular, and then markets close Monday. Apple. Looking for puts. Watching below 135.2. Price target equal 133.77. Possible reject 136.83. Beautiful. 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. Printing money is the worst thing you could ever do for an economy. Current government, they discourage saving. That's why we're in the predicament that we're currently in. All they want is people to borrow money. That's how they make money, and we get screwed. Now, it would be a completely different world if they encourage people to actually save their money and do good. But that's my opinion. Teach everybody how to trade options. Make their own money. Who needs a stimulus when you can trade options? Microsoft. Watch, I'm gonna watch everything to the downside today and the market's going to rip. That's just my luck. Let's see, Microsoft. Yeah, 252.9, 250. Why are these things hitting my scanner when the market's not even open? I'm gonna have to look at the scanner and see what's happening. Was I just looking at Microsoft? Same thing, watching Microsoft to the downside. It's very interesting though, is if you look at Microsoft on a weekly time frame, it looks like it has a huge weekly falling wedge. Nowhere close to breaking out, but pretty interesting. Brandon, do you have any service that lets you manage flow of calls, puts similar to just watching the options volume on the V? What do you mean? Microsoft. Watching for puts. Break below 254.5. Price target equal 252.9. 250. 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Of course, David. Remember, watch the bonds. The bonds will let you know if people begin to worry about recession. Every single time. Let's see. My computer's spazzing out again. Hold on, there we go. Let's see if we can get one more. No, that it wasn't 2 negative GDPs. I was wrong. It was only 1. It was a revision to the first one. $159.6 on Meta. AMD. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button would be greatly appreciated. Run it up, fam. Oh, I could have told, yeah. Literally, Europe is, if not already in a recession, they're going to be the first. That's why it's important to pay attention to global markets as well. If you're in my mentorship class, I'm actually doing a class this Saturday on all the internals that I pay attention to. I've never talked about them publicly. So it's going to be the first time I teach it. AMD below 75. That's an interesting one. But remember, every time I watch only puts, the market tends to do the complete opposite. So keep that in mind today. Final one's gonna be, it looks like AMD. Yep, AMD it is. Cool. AMD looking for puts below 75. Price target equal 74. 73.52. One hour squeeze looking to fire. Tons of 1 hour squeezes today. 1 hour and 30-minute squeezes are everywhere. I would watch that. So and Google smacked that trend line yesterday. All right, so we got Amazon again. Make sure you guys are clicking. Oh my God, can't even talk. Clicking that like button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Amazon, Apple. We've been absolutely killing it with these watch lists this week. Apple, Microsoft. AMD. QQQ. SPY. SPX, and then the tick. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so yeah, we got the watch list done early. If you guys got any questions, feel free to ask them. I'll drop the watch list here in a few minutes. Yeah, like I was saying yesterday, TLT has been the leading indicator in the market. But the thing is with TLT, and like I was thinking about this while I was at the gym yesterday, is because it's been the leading indicator in the market every time besides one time when it broke below the bear flag, the market followed a few days after. And I was talking about this with my friend Ashton yesterday on Instagram, and the bond market is like, the amount of money that circulates through the bond market is insane compared to the stock market. This is where the big boys go and play. So that's why he thinks that there's this correlation, because I don't know why it correlates. But basically with bonds, or at least TLT, people aren't going to go to this if they're worried about inflation. And I'm going to talk about this in tonight's video. John Carter talked about this, and I watched it. I'm not going to take credit for it because he's the one that brought it to my attention, but I completely agree with it. Because if you pull up stuff like corn, we peaked way back here on corn. If we pull up soybeans, we peaked way back here. If we pull up wheat, we peaked way back here. If you pull up, I don't know, the copper futures, but things like gold and silver, etc., we peaked way back here. So the reports that we're getting now are from when price was back at these levels. So if these are all inflationary assets that people go to, we're just now seeing the reports. Look at the actual charts for all of those things, especially corn, for example. We're way down here compared to here from when all of these reports are coming out. So if inflation, it has peaked from what we are currently experiencing, just with the commodities, people aren't scared about hyperinflation anymore, meaning they're going to go to bonds, because they'll go to bonds if they're worried about recession. That's when they'll buy, is when they're worried about recession. Now, recession isn't good for the overall market, so this is where it would begin to diverge. So TLT, I put it on my Twitter yesterday, TLT is no longer the leading indicator. Watch HYG. HYG is going to be the most important one. If we go to HYG on the quarterly time frame, it came down to these levels only 2 previous times. One right after the housing crisis, and one during COVID. We are now coming down to it again. So don't watch TLT, watch HYG. That's probably going to be your leading indicator. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to make a video on it today, talk a little bit more, because technically what's going to happen with inflation is we're kind of going to see something like this. Now, don't judge my handwriting, but we're going to see inflation go like that, which we have, and we're slowly going to get a curve where it starts stalling out, and then we're going to come back down. Boom. So if you had to ask for my personal opinion, our CPI was what, 8.9%, I think. I would say we're probably like right here. Like we might get a couple, like another 8.9, and then, you know, maybe a 9, but then we start slowly coming down, 8.8, 8.2, etc., 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 all the way back down. But that's just my opinion. That's my theory. Could be completely wrong, as always. But yeah, video about that tonight. Let's see. No, I'd like to see it actually break that level when the market opens. If it breaks below, then I don't really care. I'll just find something else. Indicators, I use TTM squeeze, moving averages, and then if I am swing trading, stochastics and on balance volume. But let me drop this watch list in the chat real quick. Again, understanding the correlation between bonds and just all these other market internals is so important. It's not just as simple as looking at SPY and QQQ and saying, oh, it's going to go up, or oh, it's going to go down. Because guess what? When the SPY was doing this right here, everybody was saying the market's going to continue to go up. It's in a bull flag, right? So many people got caught in this. I said, no, it's not, because TLT broke below the bear flag right here. So what day is that? 531, 61, 62. Go to SPY. Look at that. 531, 61, 62. It consolidated for a little longer while TLT was dropping. Market lost it. So reading the market internals is super important. And if you don't know how to do it, there's tons of educational sources that you can use to learn. EMD, Microsoft, bingo. Cool. So enough of me ranting. I'm sure most of you guys don't care. Hopefully some of you found that valuable. But yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you guys are in the Discord server, I'll talk to you guys in like 20 minutes. Why do they keep adding stuff to this thing when the market's not even open? I don't get it. Anyways, so again, if you guys did not know, I dropped a new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis. If you guys do want to pick yourself up a copy, that is the link right there. And then one final thing, I know I don't usually self-promote, but if you would like to learn how to, like, my entire strategy, Grizzly's entire strategy, GD strategy, we are hosting a July mentorship, and that starts in literally 2 weeks. But yeah, if you guys want to hop in that, here's the link for that. We are doing limited spots, so once it sells out or once it starts, everybody's in. But yeah, everybody take it easy. If you guys want to hop in the mentorship, that's the link right there. If you guys want to purchase the book, that's the link as well. Disclaimer, none of this is financial, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. Other than that, everybody take it easy. Everybody